Alright guys, welcome to another Android Java tutorial using Android Studio by Android Dev. This is Hanzada and today we are going to create an emulator or a virtual device in Android Studio. An emulator or virtual device studio is just like your real device, but it is used virtually for testing Android application that you have created with Android Studio. Before we start, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel and press the click button, and also try to go through the whole course, and if you get time, share this course so other people also get an opportunity to learn this Android basic things. So let's go and open Android Studio. Here you can see AVD manager icon. Just click on it and Android virtual device manager will be open for you. Okay, here you have a button create virtual device. Just click on it and you can see here different categories: TV, Wear, iPhone and tablet, etc. But as we are targeting our application for phones only, so I will be selecting phones. Here you have different names of mobile phone Android devices: Pixel, Nexus, etc. Here are the sizes and then resolution and density. So for now I will be just selecting Nexus, Pixel 2. So I have selected Pixel 2. Now just click on next. Make sure you have installed Hexam properly. Okay, here you can select a system image. Basically it is the Android version you are targeting your emulator. For now I have only Marshmallow installed with API level 23, so I'm going to select this. Next, you have different images you can download, like 20 API 28 to Oreo, Nougat, etc. So recommended are these. So I have already only Marshmallow installed. I am just selecting this. You can also download or select any of these. So here we have API level 23, Android 6.0, Marshmallow, and phone names. What we have just selected: Google phone, Pixel 2. So just click on next. Here you have the name. This is the name of the AVD, Pixel 2 with API 23. Here you have the specification of this AVD, that is 5.0, 1080 multiplied by 920 resolution, and the variant is 6.0, that is Marshmallow. So we want it for portrait. The default orientation, you can also select landscape. Alright, there is nothing more important to talk about, so just go and click finish. Okay, select portrait and just finish. So this just hang my Android Studio because this process is very heavy. So let's go and wait for it. I am going to pause this video and I will come back when this is done. Alright, we have just created our new device with name Android Pixel 2 with API 23, the resolution, then API 23, same thing, target 6.0, Marshmallow. So it is just ready to launch. Just click on this button and this emulator will be started. So it's just time taking. I'm just going to show you this emulator with name Nexus API. So basically this is just like a phone, the real device, and it has different specification. And here I have like 4 emulators. Every of these have different resolution, APIs, and in short specification. So we are just ready to create our application and to test our application. In the next tutorial we are going to create our first program, but that's all for now. So thank you for watching this. See you next time.